Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are share with you net Malai Saree from Amazon Great Freedom Sale at just 549. So let's jump right in. One of the highlight of this saree its versatility. Whether you are attending a traditional wedding or festival occasion, this saree is sure to make you the center of attraction. The vibrant color option available are perfect for every mood and occasion. Now let's talk about the quality. The fabric feel incredible soft and lightweight, providing a comfortable fit all day long. The attention to detail is remarkable with impeccable stitching and flawless finish. And guys, what's more, this saree comes with matching blouse piece, allowing you to create your own personalized style, and you can play around with different blouse designs and experiment with different looks. We can't forget to mention the price at just 549. It's an absolutely still, and the Amazon Great Freedom Sale has truly made this design saree accessible to everyone. The woman knit Malai Saree from the Amazon Great Freedom Sale is a must-have for all you fashion enthusiasts out there. With its stunning design, high quality fabric and affordable price, it's wardrobe essential. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the Amazon Great Freedom Sale and grab you your very own woman knit Malai Saree today. Remember, style doesn't have to break the bank. So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave comment down below letting me know what you thought. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.